it going? Carey here with DrillFit Training. Today I'm going to show you all the shoulder press machine here at Legacy Barbell. There's 3 different adjustments to be made on this machine. First one is the bottom pad here, raises up and down according to your height. Second is the back pad, either comes straight up and down, hitting only the front delts, or leans back a little bit further. As you further lean back, it incorporates a little bit of the upper chest. And third adjustment is the handles. So you can bring them all the way down to where you have that full range of motion. This is also according to your height, so that way you don't have to come down too far, putting too much pressure at the very bottom. You want it to where your elbows are right lined up maybe with your rib cage. Couple of different things to run through as you set up for this exercise. First thing, traps down and back, and lean your upper back into that pad. This is going to give you a good brace, able to brace your core, feet planted into the ground. Setting up on the handles, you want to pick a position to where your elbows are right underneath your wrist, making that perfect box. So I'll go ahead and set up here for you. Into the seat, low back is also against this back pad, upper back against the pad as well, and then you can keep your head back as a little less tension on your neck. Wrists are right underneath the elbows, and you want to keep, elbows are right underneath the wrists, and you want to keep that the entire exercise. So as you come down, your wrists line up with your eyes or with your ears, and then just press straight back up. One more tip on this exercise, be sure that you're not bending your wrists back too far. We want just enough of a shelf with the hands. The further you bend back your wrists, the more pressure it is on your elbows and some negative pressure on the front of your shoulders that we don't want. So just enough of a shelf, and that is the shoulder press machine here at Legacy Barbell.